So we were discussing about crop production and management, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So that was the topic we were dealing with, and today also we'll continue with the same thing. Had just done the introduction and left it. Today I will be starting up with the chapter. Fine. So first of all, every one of you got to know that we need food to survive. And every
Ma'am.
organism, I don't want to hear any voice there. Okay, I have unmuted you all. So now, if at all you have any queries, you can just text in the chat. If at all you have any doubts concerned with the chapter. Okay, nothing else. So as I told you that day itself, each and every organism, in order to survive, the organism need food. Okay, where do we get the food from? There are two sources of food. One is from plants and other is from animals. Okay, so today in this chapter we will be discussing about plants, that is crops. How we are getting the crops, how they are being produced, what are the measures that has to be taken. Okay, what are the agricultural practices that has to be followed, which are the steps involved. Okay, so we will be discussing about these topics in this chapter. Fine. First of all, every one of you know what actually is a crop. Whomever name I will be specifying, only those people should unmute it and answer. Okay, Atifuddin, you can unmute and answer me.
Ma'am, crop from where
What
we
is a
can get
crop?
crop. Ma'am, crop means in agriculture field they grows.
Okay.
Mm,
In
we
the
can use it
agriculture field, it is being grown. For what purpose it is being grown?
for food.
For food. So is there any quantity, or it can grow any number of crops there?
Yes, ma'am.
Any number of crops you can grow?
Means according to field.
According to the field. Very good, Atifuddin. So crop means
Thank you, ma'am.
something. It is nothing but a food material that is grown, cultivated, and also harvested. Okay, that is being grown, cultivated, and harvested in a specific field of a specific quantity. In a specific field of a specific quantity is nothing but a crop. So everyone are clear with the definition? Crop is a food material. It is being grown in the field. It is being cultivated in the field. It is being harvested in the field. What do you mean by harvested? Abhijit, can you tell? What do you mean by harvest? You have studied this in your earlier class.
Yes, miss.
Yeah.
Miss, after the crops are grown,
After the crops are grown,
the rice and wheats are cultivated from ground.
okay. Who else know the answer? Can anyone give the proper answer to the question? You're almost correct. Very good, Abhijit. Who know the answer?
Thank you.
Can you please raise your hand? Okay, Aditya.
Ma'am, after the crops are ripe, the farmers harvest the crops.
1 minute. Okay, tell me, Aditya.
Ma'am, after the crops are ripe, the farmers harvest the crop.
Okay, after the crops are grown, the farmers will harvest. That means the crops are being taken out from the land, from the agricultural field, and they are stored for further use. So that is nothing but harvest. Okay, so there are different types of crop that are grown in different agricultural field. It is dependent on the kind of soil that is being present, climatic conditions of that area, temperature of that area. In all area, you cannot grow the same kind of crop. It is dependent on the area, on the locality, which kind of season is more in that area, what are the nutrients that are required for the crop. All the crop may or may not need the same kind of nutrients and minerals. It is dependent. And some crops may need more amount of water, plenty of water for their growth, whereas some plants may need very less amount of water. Right or wrong? Right. So based on that, the crops are being classified into two types. One is known as Rabi crop. You might have heard Rabi, R-A-B-I, Rabi crop, and the other is Kharif crops, K-H-A-R-I-F. Which are the two types of crop? Which are the two types of crop?
Rabi crop.
Rabi crop and Kharif crop. Okay. Okay. Now every one of you unmute it. I will be sharing you the screen. We will be seeing the video, and meanwhile I will be explaining. Fine.
Yes.
Okay. So we will be studying about, everyone are able to see the screen? Screen is visible? Okay, I will be switching it on now. Everyone tell me whether it is audible or not.
About crop patterns and preparation of soil.
Is it audible?
Yes, ma'am.
Crop.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
The crop is used to describe. You will learn about crop patterns and preparation of soil.
So in this chapter, you'll be learning about crop patterns and preparation of soil, how the soil is being prepared before sowing the seeds. What are the measures that has to be taken? Okay, how the seeds are being selected, what are the practices that are being done. You'll be studying about all those things.
What is a crop? The word crop is used to describe plants of the same kind that are grown and cultivated at one place and in significant quantities.
So what do you mean by crop, Vikas? What do you mean by crop?
Crop means
What do you mean by crop?
we can use for
Where are the crops grown?
eating and
Where are the crops
in the
grown?
field.
In the field. Only you are growing the crop. Are you not
Field.
doing anything to that? Just sowing the seeds and leaving that to grow?
Ma'am,
Then what you are doing?
should dig. Then we should dig there and we should put seeds and water.
Okay. In short, can you tell what actually is crop? Already Atifuddin had told it. And even I repeated, and even in the video you have seen. What actually is crop? What actually is crop? Be fast. So crops are the plants that are grown, cared, cultivated and harvested in a specific field for a specific quantity. So that is known to be as a crop. Clear? Again, I will be asking you the question.
Some of them are wheat crop,
These are the examples of crops. Wheat crop, rice crop, cauliflower.
rice crop, cauliflower crop, and so on. A crop can be a cereal, a vegetable, or maybe a fruit.
So it can be a cereal, it can be a vegetable, or it can be a fruit. Any of these, the crop may be cereal, vegetable, or a fruit.
In India, the
See
climatic
this, what I
conditions
told
like
you that time.
temperature, rainfall, and humidity.
So in India, how is the climatic condition? In few areas, there is high temperature. Okay. In few areas, there is very high temperature. Rainfall is very high in few regions. Humidity is high in very few regions, right? Based on these climatic condition, the crops are grown in different parts of the India. So which variety of crop should be grown is decided by the farmer based on that area's climatic condition. So which are the climatic condition that affect the growth of the crop? So what and all we have to
Temperature,
temperature,
rainfall, humidity.
rainfall, humidity. You
Rainfall,
can see that.
humidity.
We'll go for an example of Karnataka itself. Which area is having high temperature in Karnataka? On an average, you can tell, not specifically. Ballari, Raichur, you have heard. Ballari, Raichur, and all you have heard, right? So what is that? That is having high temperature. Those are the regions with high temperature. Where is the rainfall more? Where is the rainfall more?
Bangalore, Shimoga.
Shimoga?
Bangalore,
Shimoga.
Okay. What about the humidity? Where is
Hasana.
humidity? What do you mean by humidity?
winter season.
What do you mean by humidity? It is not winter season. No. What do you mean by humid? What do you mean by humid? Who can tell?
Very cold.
Temperature will be high. Mild
very
climate.
Ma'am, very
You
cold.
have to specify your name and tell me the answer. What do you mean by
Ma'am,
humid?
Miss, very cold.
See, you may be feeling cold. Okay, you may be feeling cold. There will be sunlight, and then you may be feeling cold sometimes, right? Similarly, there may be a warmth, but you may be feeling hotness. So what do you mean by humid? I am giving you the clue. There is no sunlight.
Mild climate.
There is no sunlight.
Mild climate.
Okay. The
Ma'am, one
moisture
side hot or
content
one
in the
side cold?
atmosphere, the warm moisture content in the atmosphere is known to be as humidity. ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಕುತ್ಕೊಂಡಿರ್ತೀರಾ ಸೆಕೆ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಆಯ್ತಾ ಬಟ್ ಹೊರಗಡೆ ಸನ್ಲೈಟ್ ಇರಲ್ಲ that kind of climate is known to be as a humid climate. The moisture content in the atmosphere is known to be as a humid.
Lastly,
Okay, ma'am.
so there is a rich variety in the crops grown in different regions. So crops are broadly divided into two patterns.
How are the crops being divided into?
Two types.
Two types. What are those? Rabi crop and
Rabi crop.
Rabi crops and Kharif crops.
Kharif crops. Kharif crops.
Okay.
Kharif and Rabi.
So when are these Kharif crops being grown? We will know about that. Okay.
In rainfall.
So these Kharif crops,
Plants that need more water for healthy growth are planted during the rainy season.
why they are planted during the rainy seasons?
Kharif crops.
Kharif crops
Kharif
are
crops.
grown in the rainy season. Why are they grown in the rainy season? Because
Because
those
they need
kind
more
of-
water.
Very good. Because they need more water. They need plenty of water for their growth. So such kind of crops which require plenty of water for their growth is known to be as a Kharif crop.
Kharif crops.
Kharif crops.
When do you get more amount of water?
In rainy season.
It's in the rainy season.
By August.
Rainy season.
In
August.
the rainy season. Okay.
June and are harvested. And Rabi. Plants that need more water for healthy growth are planted during the rainy season around
October to
and
March.
harvested at the end of the rainy season around October.
June to November.
Okay. So June is
June to September.
from June it will
June
start.
to
Rainy season by the end of June it will start. Now only you can see there is a starting of rainy season, right? In this season,
Yes, ma'am.
the crops are
Yes,
being
ma'am.
grown and they are harvested at the end of the rainy season.
Yes, ma'am.
At the end of rainy season, they are taken out from the growth and stored. Okay, in the month of October. Fine, around October to November. Fine, it may vary. So it will start in the rainy season. The crops are grown in the rainy season and they are harvested at the end of the rainy season. Such kind of crops are known to be as a kharif crop. They also need
Kharif crops.
they also need plenty of water for their growth. So these 2 points you have to remember. Okay. And this word kharif is being derived from the
Derived.
Arabic word which means kharif means autumn. What do you mean by kharif?
Autumn.
It means
Autumn.
autumn. So what do you mean by autumn? What do you mean by autumn season, spring season? You have heard?
Yes, ma'am.
Autumn. What do you mean by autumn?
Ma'am, the leaves are shed.
Autumn.
Ma'am,
Autumn.
the leaves are shed.
Ma'am, their leaves are shed.
Okay. It is a conversion from one season to another season. Which season to which season? Okay, we'll know about that.
Called as spring.
These crops are called
Listen
kharif
now.
crops, and some examples are rice, maize, groundnut, soybean, and cotton crops.
So, which are the few examples for kharif crops?
Rice,
Groundnut,
Cotton.
soybean, and cotton.
Cotton cloth.
So these are
Cotton.
the few examples for kharif crop. You have to collect few more examples for kharif crop. So that will be your Monday's homework. Now only I'm telling, start collecting minimum 10 crops. You have to list it out. Okay, else then these 5. Which 5 are being mentioned here? Rice is being mentioned, maize, groundnut, soya bean, cotton. All these things are being mentioned already. Else then these 5 you have to list out 5 kharif crops. Okay.
That grow during the winter season are called rabi crops.
Okay, crops
Examples
that
of
are
rabi
grown during the winter season. So what do you mean by winter season? Listen.
Crops that grow during the winter season are called rabi crops. Examples of rabi crops are wheat, gram, pea, and sunflower.
Okay, in winter season, those crops which are being grown are known to be as a rabi crop. Why are they grown in the winter season? Do they need more amount of water for their growth?
No, ma'am.
No. So they does not need more amount of water for their growth. So they are being grown in the enough water. With enough water, they can grow easily. So they are grown in the winter season. Okay, such kind of crops are known to be as rabi crops.
They are generally sown during October and November and harvested in the month of April and May.
So what do you refer from this? When are they grown? Medrana, can you tell when are they grown? Medrana, when are they grown? Okay, Umar.
ma'am, in April and March and April.
When are they grown? I am asking. Not harvested.
October to November.
Winter season. See, soon after
October
rainy
to
season
November.
will be soon after rainy season it will be winter season. So in the winter
Yes, ma'am.
season, which kind of crops are being grown?
Winter season.
Rabi crops are being
Rabi
grown
crops.
in the winter season. That is
Rabi
in the
crop.
month- Okay, that is in the month
Rabi
of
crop.
October and November. Okay, stop now. So in the month of October and November, rabi crops are being grown and they are harvested in summer season. So that is in the April and May. You know, summer holidays you get in April and May. Now you are getting summer plus rainy holidays, right?
Summer
So in which season are those harvested?
April and May.
April and May. That is in the summer season they are being
Summer season.
harvested.
Summer
Okay. And
season. Dismiss.
this is referred from the Arabic word. You can see now.
Both the words Rabi and Kharif are taken from the Arabic language. In Arabic, Rabi means spring and
So
Kharif
what do you mean by Rabi in Arabic?
Spring.
Spring. What do you mean by spring season? It is a conversion from summer to rainy. Summer to rainy, when it is being converted, such kind of season, that conversion is known to be as a spring season. What do you mean by autumn? What do you mean by autumn?
From rainy to
Winter to summer.
winter to summer.
Winter to summer is known to be as autumn. Clear?
Autumn. Dismiss. Yes, ma'am.
Kharif means autumn.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, students. So I will be asking you questions now. What all we have studied, you have to answer me. Yashashwini. Yashashwini. What do you mean by crop?
Crop. Ma'am, the.
What do you mean by crop? Who know the answer? Raise your hands. Who know the answer?
Ma'am, Karen, I'll answer.
Okay, Preetham, can you answer?
Yeah, ma'am.
Yeah.
Ma'am, crops are grown in field and is cultivated by the harvest.
Okay.
Harvest.
That only, frame it in a proper sentence. It's already time up. I'm left out only with 2 minutes. Be fast.
Ma'am, crops are cultivated and grown in field.
Okay.
Ma'am, and
Okay.
they grown.
Fine. You know the answer, but you are not framing it in a proper sentence. Aditya.
Ma'am, crop is a plant where it is cultivated in the field.
Okay, not still proper. Ananda Ramya, you raised your hand. Be fast. Okay, tomorrow I need the answer for all the questions. See, you need to answer me about the crop. Which are the two crop patterns? What is the difference between Kharif crop and Rabi crop? And collect a few examples for Kharif and Rabi crop. I feel the time is up. So if at all it get disconnected, bye-bye for now. Okay, Atifuddin, can you answer what is a crop?
Tomorrow classes is there.
No. On Monday I'm talking about.
Okay.
Atifuddin, answer me.
Plants of the same kind are cultivated on a land and it is harvested. It's called as crop.
Very good, Atifuddin. So those are the plants which are grown, cultivated and harvested in field in a specific quantity. So which are the two crop patterns, Vikas? Vikas, which are the two crop patterns?
Cotton.
Which are the two crop patterns?
Kharif and Rabi.
So it is Kharif and Rabi. Which are the climatic conditions that affect the growth of the plant? Which are the three climatic conditions?
Kharif rainy season.
Ma'am,
Kharif rainy
season.
Which are the climatic conditions?
Kharif rainy season.
Rainy season.
Climatic condition for specific growth of crop in specific region.
Kharif crop,
You
rainy
saw
season.
three India map. You saw. Beside that, you have seen three climatic conditions:
Temperature, rainfall,
temperature, rainfall, and
Temperature, rainfall.
humidity.
okay. Fine. So you got to know about Kharif and Rabi. Who can tell about
Yes.
Kharif crop now? Raise your hands. Hiranmai. Hiranmai. Yeah.
Kharif crops are grown in rainy season because they need lot of water.
Okay.
And from June to October they are grown and harvested.
When they are grown and when they are harvested?
Ma'am, on June they are grown and from October they are harvested.
So at the end of the rainy season, they are harvested. Can you give me a few examples? 1 or 2 examples now?
Rice, soya beans, groundnuts, cotton.
Rice, soya beans, maize, groundnut, right?
Cotton.
Okay. So next, who can tell me about Rabi crop now? Rabi. Raise your hands.
Ma'am, they grow in summer.
I'm asking, I want you people to raise your hands. I will ask you. Anandaramya. It's not audible. Switch unmuted and answer. Unmuted.
Ma'am,
Yeah.
Rabi crops are grown in winter season.
Okay.
Ma'am, it means, ma'am, in Arabic, Rabi means spring, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am, it are grown. Ma'am, it is grown in October and November.
Okay, very good.
And harvested in April and May.
And harvested in April and May. Right?
Ma'am, examples.
Okay.
Wheat, grams, sunflower.
Okay, enough. So tomorrow, what is your work? I mean, in the next class, you have to tell me minimum 10 Rabi crops and minimum 10 Kharif crop, else then these examples. Clear? Okay. Bye-bye for now. Take care. Start studying the textbook. Go through what all I have explained. I have explained only a little today. Fine? Go through it. Bye-bye.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye, ma'am.